Yes, student, here we are dealing two question. One of the question is related to hydrogen molecule, okay, formation or possibility on the basis of energy term, okay, of valence bond theory. And the second question, it is formation of He2 molecule, that is the helium. This one is hydrogen, this one is what? Helium molecule. Okay, why it is unstable or do not exist, that is the non-existence or instability of He2 molecule on the basis of valence bond theory and its energy consideration, that is attraction force and repulsion force magnitude. Student, as you know that hydrogen, okay, it is one of the hydrogen plus another hydrogen, and it is what? It's electron. It come close and H and what? H. That is now the formation of H2 is possible. But we have to observe on the basis of their energy consideration. Let it is the nucleus of one of the hydrogen, and you know that the nucleus is positively charged, and it is the electron of first hydrogen. So call it what? First H atom. Getting? When it come close to second hydrogen atom, again the second hydrogen atom, this one is second hydrogen atom, okay, having again its positively charged nucleus, and it is its valence electron. Are you getting? So when these two atoms will come close to each other, now what? The forces will start to work between them. How it is? Say electron, being it is negatively charged of one of the atom, that is the first atom, and this is what? Second atom of hydrogen. So electron of first of the atom is attracted by nucleus of second atom. That means here what? Attraction force work. Attraction force work between them. So the attraction force becomes what? It is 1 plus one more attraction is possible when electron of second atom is attracted by nucleus of first atom. So 1 plus 1, that means the total attraction force, this is what beta? Attraction force. Total attraction force is equal to what? 2. Getting? Now again some possibilities are there. What is this? When nucleus of one atom and nucleus of second atom will come close, now being similar charge, they will repel each other. So there is one of the repulsion. So now the repulsion force is equal to 1. Why? Nucleus and nucleus, and the second between electron of first and electron of second. So this is again what? 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now the attraction force, okay, and the repulsion force, it is what? 2, and it is also what? 2. So molecule will, so H2 molecule will exist according to our existence formula, or you can say stable. Are you getting? Now in the case of He2 molecule, He2 molecule, this is what? Nucleus of first what? He2, first He atom, but it has how many electrons? It has 2 electrons. This is what? 2 electrons. Now similarly, it is nucleus of second helium that is second atom of helium. Atom of helium, and again it has what? 2 electrons. Okay, now let's calculate very first how many attraction force are possible. Attraction forces are possible. I am counting one by one. Okay, look at here properly. Say electron of first helium with nucleus of second one. This is what? Attraction. Call it 1 plus second electron of first helium atom attracted by nucleus of second atom. So this is 1 plus first electron of second helium with nucleus of first. Again this is attraction. This is what? 3. Similarly, second electron of second helium atom with a nucleus of first helium. This is what? 1. So overall attraction forces is how many? 4 attraction forces. Getting? Now let's check repulsion force. Repulsion forces, that is overall repulsion forces. Now I am showing it by black sketch. Okay. Say nucleus of first with nucleus of second helium atom. This is what? 1 plus electron of first helium and first electron of second helium. Again being they are negatively charged, so there will be repulsion. Getting? Similarly, second electron of first helium and second electron of second helium. Again there will be repulsion. That is what? 3 repulsion. Then one more repulsion is there. First electron of first helium and the second electron of second helium. This one. And similarly, the second electron of second helium and second electron of what? First helium. It is what? One more. So it is equal to what? 5. Okay. Now resultant forces are attraction force is how many? 4, and the repulsion is what? 5. That is what? Repulsion is greater as repulsion forces are greater in magnitude as compared to attraction force. Hence He2 molecule do not exist. Are you getting? This is about valence bond theory.